Hi everybody, my name's Ashley and this is a review for this amazing spice rack. Seriously, if you are in the market for an awesome spice rack with so many different spices, definitely check this one out. This is the Kamenstein 20 jar revolving spice rack. So it has 20 different spices on here, anything from like dillweed to thyme. There's pizza seasoning, Italian seasoning, seasoning salt, celery salt, parsley, oregano. Seriously, any spice that you might use, it seriously has it on here. I love that it's really easy to read all of them. You don't have to go searching in a pantry for them. It just sits on this countertop. It's so easy to revolve it to find what I'm looking for. And I could organize these in any way because they do come out. You can refill them. Let me open one up. It comes with the holes. I obviously haven't used this coriander yet, but they are refillable. So I love that when you do run out of one, you can fill it back up and place it back in there. So if you are in the market for an awesome spice rack that will give you not only the spices that you need, but also help you continue having the counter space that you need, definitely check this one out. We have loved using it.